Hi, my name's Rob Evans and I'm the owner of Pakenham Boot Camps for Women. We're an award-winning business here in Pakenham and we've been running our program all year round for 9 years now. I personally have over 30 years of health, fitness and nutrition experience, and the results that I've been achieving for my clients over the last 9 years adds up to over almost, at the time of recording this, 6,000 kilos of fat. So if you're looking to change your life, the way that your body feels, the way it looks, then this could be worth giving a go for you. We provide 100% guarantee on results. We create individually tailored meal plans for you, and the feedback that I get from my clients is that I'm achieving results with you that I've never been able to do before. That's because of our training program, which is specifically designed to work your muscles and give you the right balance of resistance training as well as the cardio training that you need. Now, I'm also a coach and I coach people internationally, and the results that I get in terms of being able to have an impact on people's mindsets to accompany their health and fitness change is just astronomical. So some of the changes that you can likely expect, most of my clients are losing between half a kilo to up to 1.25 kilos of fat a week. I find that they start to improve their posture. Obviously their body shape starts to change. They feel sexier. They lose centimetres off their whole body and just feel great. They start to sleep better. They feel more confident. Their self-image grows. The amount of energy that you have in your body also increases. Not to mention the supportive friends that you're going to meet and the amount of fun that you're going to have while you're completely transforming yourself. It's a beautiful, beautiful gift that you're giving to yourself. So you're invited to come to a free session or a free trial to try us out. Give it a go for yourself. You can sit there, you can read this, you can listen to it, and you can think, okay, this is the result that I may get. But until you dip your toe in and jump right in, once you've dipped your toe, you're not going to know exactly what it feels like for you. So opt in now to a form around this video, and I look forward to seeing you very, very soon. Okay, bye for now.